Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Jasmy right now is following what Bitcoin is doing, and Bitcoin also is kind of not very sure what Bitcoin really wants to do, but time will tell eventually. And until now here, people may be wondering what's going on with the coin itself. We're still in a pretty good spot right now, okay? And that is number one. On the EMAs, we are holding the EMAs, which is pretty good. You have your bull cross right here. You went up, came down, you're going up, coming down again. So that's pretty okay. That's pretty normal. Coming down like this on the daily is pretty good. It's not really bad. Secondly is you have a trend line, and this trend line is some sort of that trend line right over there, okay? If you notice here, we do have some little bit of support going on. So you got one touch right here and you moved up, and anytime you touch it again you moved up. So we may see just a little bit of a push down here, probably to 54 0.0055, and have another push all the way up to this technical target, which is 0.007. Now I do believe that the best stop really comes down to 4790, okay? If you end up coming to 4790, it means a lot of things, and that means that you destroy this safe area box that I draw. You break below this support line as well. Number three is if you come down here, you're going to lose the EMAs as well, okay? So that's going to be negative. Coming down to 47 something, I think that's going to be an alarming situation, and you're going to lose it. By the way, there's a little bit of this support going on in here as well. You can see this was your resistance. You break above it, you're coming and holding it for the retest. It's pretty normal to even touch and have a reaction like this. Now in the future, if you do end up coming up to 0.007 and touch this technical target, then you may be careful for a probability of ascending broadening wedge, because you are going to be looking at some sort of a negative pattern or some sort of a channel going on in here. So if you end up doing something like this, come down, go up, come down, and maybe go back up again, touch this line here, you may want to be careful for another rejection, probably down to 63 again, and keep on improving this channel until you eventually do not really break above the supply zone, which is up here at 0.008 something. And if you break above the supply zone, it's a whole ticket all the way to 0.013 actually. So it is what it is, and that's pretty much it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.